Alright guys, so see that's kind of low in the reservoir because we already took out the pads. You can see these are worn down like crazy. I can only imagine somebody who's only running one pad and one rotor. Say one caliper and one rotor. Super crazy. Look how dirty these are on the pistons. So we're gonna clean these up. Push this back on and then put this one, the right side, back on. Pressurize again so we can get the pistons on the left side to pop out a little bit. No, okay, no, they're out pretty good. They're out pretty good. We'll knock them out. Get it all knocked out. Hit it with the brake parts cleaner. And then the brakes will be done. We'll probably pull them off again just to put some, just in case they really start squeaking and stuff like that. We'll put some pad goop on there so it keeps it from vibrating, which creates the squeal that we hear, so it can ride smooth and I can brake with confidence. Alright, you see how much cleaner this is now? We'll wipe it down a little bit more. Then we'll take the old brake pads and use the screwdriver to push them back, the pistons all the way back in. Don't use your new brake pads because what can happen is you can do like I did with these old ones. See how those little divots kind of dig out the pad. You don't want that on your new ones. So yeah, new pads can go on. The rotors will probably be replaced by the end of next month because they are getting close to the minimum wear limit, if you saw my last video. So yeah, we're gonna get these knocked out because see the difference. More material on the right, just a little bit more, but it's more than it's enough. So let's get it done. Another thing, make sure you take the top off. Be careful not to get any brake fluid or any other components because it will eat through any plastics you have on here, including your fairings. Alright, so I pull the back clip out. Make sure you use the big flaps on the bottom, small ones at the top. Remember, when you putting these pads in, you want to push up against that because it springs it up in this birch, so it can stay in place. And then mount them again. Where it needs to go. Put the bolts in. Torque it to spec. Me, I'm just gonna kind of snug it right now. My torque wrench is not in. I'm just gonna give it the good old, you know what I'm saying, torque from memory, and then we're good to go. Now when we replace the tires and stuff like that, we'll probably pull them off again, put all the grease and stuff like that, just make sure you don't have any squealing. But that's how you do it. We're gonna do the other side, clean the pistons and put the pads back in. I'm gonna squeeze and give it pressure. You should see the fluid rise back up as you're doing it. Just be careful when you're putting it back on. Once again, the fluid will eat through anything plastic, your grips, your controls, anything. It's gonna eat through it if it stays there. All right, we got the pads back on, calipers back on. Let's put this back in. Hit the brakes a few times. Get the pressure back in. There we go. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Giggity, giggity. Giggity go. It is time for a fluid flush. But for now, she's good to go.